Imagine running a luxury resort in the Maldives, leading a 5-star hotel in Dubai, planning world-class events, or making unforgettable memories for guests from all over the world. Experience hospitality learning where passion meets purpose at IIMS. It is a hospitality learning ecosystem designed for future industry leaders. A place where passion meets purpose and learning meets real-world experience. Launch your global career with a Bachelor of International Hospitality Management at IIMS collaboration with Taylor's University. A world top 1% university, top 30 in Asia, QS ranked 253 globally, and world top 26 for hospitality and leisure management. Learn in industry-standard facilities designed to mirror the real hospitality world, from hotel operations, culinary arts, tourism and events, to wine, mixology, and food innovation. At IIMS, you'll train inside our own fully operational Aranya boutique hotel and Taylor's Cafe. You won't just study hospitality, you'll take over and run front office, events, restaurant operations, and entrepreneurship in the real world. The world is your workplace. So, where will your journey take you? IIMS College, Naxal Bhagwati Bahal.